Hey everyone, today we're going to do a quick lesson on the quadratic equation. So the quadratic equation is x equals to minus b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Now before we get to that, let me show you how to factorize this one really quick. Okay. So for something like this, x squared plus 4x plus 3, when you factorize, you're looking for two numbers that multiply to the 3 and then add up to 4. So personally, I like to make a little cross, put x on this side, and I think about, okay, 3, 1, okay, that's perfect, because 3 plus, I kind of do like this, 3 plus 1 is 4, but 3 times 1 is also 3, so this works out. So the answer is going to be x plus 3 and x plus 4. There, I factorized it. Well, this is quite easy because these are numbers that are easy to work with. However, for an example equation like this one, 4v squared plus 6v plus 1, it's a little bit more difficult because these are not numbers that are convenient for you to use. So you would use this quadratic equation instead. I can't really tell you why or how this works, but just that it does work. Okay, so in order to be able to use these b's and a's and c's, you have to understand how this works. This is called standard form, where you put the squared first, and then the x, and then the number, okay? So then the a and the b and the c are referring to these numbers ahead, in front of the x squared, in front of the x, and then just the number at the end. So the best way to do this is to just use an example. Let's use this 4v squared plus 6v plus 1 equals to 0. X, well in this case, x, we're looking for v actually. So v equals to minus b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac over 2a. V equals to minus b, so it's going to be minus 6 plus or minus b squared, so 6 squared minus 4a, a is 4 times c, which is 1, over 2a, which is 4 again, so that's going to be 8. So v equals to negative 6 plus or minus 6 squared is 36 minus 4 times 4 is 16. So 36 minus 16 is 20 over 8. Then v is equal to negative 6. Let's do root 20 on the side. Root 20 is root 4 times root 5. That's the highest it goes. So it's 2 root 5. So negative 6 plus or minus 2 root 5 over 8. In general, you want to simplify things. So the next step would be to notice that 8, 2, and negative 6 can all be divided by 2. So I would go negative 3 plus or minus root 5 over 4. And yeah, in this case, they only have the plus version. So plus or minus means that technically there is this as an answer, and also this is an answer. In this case, the one that is closest to this is this one. This is the answer. They only have the plus version. Okay, that's it. Thank you. Bye.